Hello, you welcome once again to Dannycom channel, the channel that is committed to providing you with all the security things that you need when it comes to your mobile phones, your laptops, your tablets, on your social media platforms, and all the things that you have been doing on the internet at large. This channel is dedicated to providing you assistance on everything that you need to know. In today's video, I am going to guide you on how to increase the volume of your handset, or how to maximize the volume of your phone when the volume is down. Remember, by default your speakers are up to a certain limit, of which you cannot go past that limit. But this video is going to give you tutorial on how to increase the volume of your mobile phone. So quickly, let's go over to the mobile phone as we have been doing on this platform, and then I will walk you through how to do it. So first of all, you pick your mobile phone, you open the mobile phone, and then go to settings. As you can see, you click on settings, and when you click on settings, go straight to sounds and vibration. You go to sounds. It depends on the mobile phone you are using, and then the device you are using will tell where the sounds icon is. As you can see, mine is Samsung, and so it's just right after the connect. So yours may be a little bit different comparing it with the tutorial. And so go to sounds, or find where sounds is on your mobile phone. Click on the volume here. When you click on the volume, you can see that by default all the volumes are up to the end of the the line, or where it's supposed to be. Okay, but you can increase it from where it has gotten to another level. Click on this three icon up here, and you see media volume limit. Click on it again, and then it will open media volume limit for you. Click on the icon here to turn it on, and then now you can see protect your ears with the media volume limit for headphones and Bluetooth audio devices. What this means is that by default they don't want to cause damage to your ears by giving you the volume of the exact volume of your device, and so they have limited you. And so now if your handset volume that you want to hear when you are playing music or other things, you can now turn this bar up to the end of the what's the name of the line, like this, and then you just go back. So at this point you have extended the volume settings of your speaker, and so your speaker will play extra hard or extra harder than it used to be. Thank you very much for watching this short video. If you are new to this, please subscribe. If you are a follower, please share our videos. This is what you do to help us grow as a channel, and then this is what you can also do to support us. Thank you once again, and then you're most welcome to Dannycom channel if you are a new member. Have a nice day.